Wish you a very good morning, students. Hope you all are fit. In our previous class, we had started nouns and its type also we had done. So, common noun and proper noun we had read about and we had done the work in the notebook also. So, before we move ahead, I would like to tell you something more about nouns. So, let us see general view. In this world, that everything which has a name is a noun. Specific view. Name of a person, place, animal, thing, state, quality, and work is called noun. Till now, you would have read only name of a person, place, animal, thing is called noun. But there are so many things which come in the category of noun, but they are not person, place, animal, thing. So, what they are? They can be state like poverty. Poverty is a state. Okay. Quality. Quality can be kindness and work. Work comes in your profession. Here we have examples also like for example in persons mother doctor Ravi people come, and in the example of place kitchen dally city school room are there, and in the example of animal monkey snake crow insect are there, and example of things are book leaf cloths appliances instruments. When we take the example of state, what is state? State is success, truth, poverty, illness, love. I have framed few sentences also using all these nouns. Like number one, we have nowadays people can't handle the truth. So, truth is state, though people is also a noun, but that comes in the category of person. Number two, we have truth came out and police caught him. Truth is a noun and it's a state. They shower all their love on the child. Love is a state. Poverty is not a sin. Poverty is a state, and sin is also a state. Here we have quality. What is quality? Quality, kindness, beauty, bravery, nobility. For your understanding, I have made few examples also, sentences also. Kindness is a unique ornament. Here, kindness is quality, and ornament word is also a noun. He can't take kids' responsibility. Responsibility word is the quality, or you can take it as a drawback also, but that will also be a noun. Beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. Beauty word is also noun, and other than that, eyes and beholder are also noun. His nobility won him a reward. Nobility and reward are noun. Work, teaching, cooking, acting, bathing. You would think these are uh, action words, but these can be used as nouns also. Let us see how. Cooking is an art. Here, cooking word has been used as a noun. Teaching is a pious profession. Teaching is noun here. She made her career in singing. Career and singing words are noun here. Reading gives me a huge view to the world. Reading, view, and world are noun here. Now let us see today's work, what we have to start with. Now here on page 16 we have naming words. Here first of all what you have to do, look at the pictures, write the names of what you see in the pictures. So you have pictures and it's done for you. First picture is of car, second is of bus, boy. So similarly you have to do this in your book. And downside what you need to do, you need to categorize them in people, places, animals and things. On the next page we have part A, underline the naming words in the sentences. So you have 12 sentences here and you need to underline the naming words in these, and that is also done for you. Number 1, we have the taxi is waiting outside the house. Taxi and house are naming words, nouns. I eat jam and bread for breakfast. Jam, bread and breakfast are nouns. Similarly, you need to do other ones. On next page we have part B. Circle the naming words, write them in a correct column. So first of all, reading all these sentences, we have to circle the naming words. Then we have to categorize them in people, animal, places and things. So this is done for you. So you need to do it from here. Downside, let us see what is there. Look at the pictures and write a sentence about what they are. Number one, we have this is a policeman. So here we have few pictures. We need to recognize them and we need to write that. Okay, this is a dolphin. Next one is this is a bird. Next one is this is a joker. Next, this is a butterfly. So that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.